Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. I hope you are doing well. So today we will start from the 12th lesson of Noorani Qaida. In this lesson we will read SHAD sign. Okay. Before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you about SHAD sign. Like what is that? So you can see on the top of here is a sign of shed, and its meaning to join the previous letter with the next letter and then itself with his sign. Like this sign you can read in two times. First read with the previous letter and then itself with his sign. Okay, and this sign name is, this sign you can read in three names like shadda, shed, and tashdid. So you can say anyone, which one is easy for you, then you call it. Okay, like tashdid. If you think tashdid is easy for you, then you can read tashdid, and if you think shad is easy for you, then you read it shad. Okay, so now we will start from here. Now you read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, Hamza ba zabar ab, ba zabar ba, abba. Okay, and the next one, Hamza ba zabar ab, ba zir bi, abbi. And the third one is here, Hamza ba zabar ab, ba pesh bu, abbu. Okay, so the first time we will be read with spelling, and after that you read it without spelling. Like now we will read without spelling these three letters. Abba, Abbi, Abbo, like that. Okay, and the next one is here. Practice with me. Hamza Bazir Ib, Bazabirba, Ibba, Hamza Bazir Ib, Bazir Bi, Ibbi. Okay, the third one is here. Hamza Bazir Ib, Ba Peshbu, Ibbu. Okay, so its made is Ibba, Ibbi, Ibbo. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza ba pish ub, ba zabar ba, ubba. And the second one, Hamza ba pish ub, ba zir bi, ubbi. And the third one, Hamza ba pish ub, ba pish bu, ubbu. So its sound is ubba, ubbi, ubbu. Okay, first time we will read zabar and then zir and then pish. After that we will read two zabar, two zir and two pish. Okay, again here, like here is the next one. Hamza, Hamza zabar ba ab, ba two zabar ban, abban. Okay, alif is a silent letter here. It's written here but not read. Okay, and the next one, Hamza ba zabar ab, ba two zir bin, abbin. And the third one, Hamza ba zabar ab, ba two pishbun, abbun. So its made is abban, abbin. And the third one, abbun. Okay, and the next one is here, Hamza ba zir ib, ba two zabar ban, ibban. And the next one, Hamza ba zir ib, ba two zir bin, ibbin. And the third one, Hamza ba zir ib, ba two pishbun, ibbun. So its made is ibban, ibbin, ibbun. And the next one is here, Hamza ba pish ub, ba two zabarban. Its sound is ubban. And the next one, Hamza ba pish ub, ba two zirbin. Its made is ubbin. And the next one is here, Hamza ba pish ub, ba two pishbun, ubbun. So its made is ubban, ubbin, ubbun. Okay, and the next one is here, Hamza ta zabar at, ta zabar ta. Here is again zabar on top of it, and again zir on the bottom of this letter, and again pish. Okay, first we will read ba. After that, now we will start from ta. Okay, Hamza ta zabar at, ta zabar ta, atta. Hamza ta zabar at, ta zir ti, atti. And the third one, hamza ta zabar at, ta pesh tu, attu. Its sound is atta, atti, attu. Okay, so now we will start from the next page, and the next page is here. This one is, yes, here is the next one. Here is the zir on bottom of the first letter. Hamza tazir it, tazabrita, itta. And the next one, Hamza tazir it, tazirti, itti. And the third one, Hamza tazir it, ta peshtu, ittu. Okay, so its made is itta, itti, ittu. Okay, and the next one is here pesh. Hamza pesh ta ut, ta zabrta, utta. Hamza pesh ta ut, ta zirti, utti. And the third one, Hamza pesh ta ut, ta pesh tu, uttu. Its sound is utta, utti, uttu. Two zabar on top of the one is Hamza ta zabar at, ta two zabar tan, attan. And the next one is here Hamza ta zabar at, ta two zirtin, attin. And the next one is here Hamza ta zabar at, ta two pishtun, attun. So its sound is attan, attin, attun. Okay, and the next one is here Hamza zir ta it, ta two zabar tan, ittan. And the next one Hamza zir ta it, ta two zirtin, ittin. And the third one Hamza zir ta it, ta two pishtun, ittun. Its sound is ittan, ittin, ittun. Okay, so the next one is here pesh on top of it, and the next one two zabar. So its made is Hamza pesh ta ut, ta two zabar tan, uttan. And the next one Hamza pesh ta ut, ta two zirtin, uttin. And the next one Hamza pesh ta ut, ta two pishtun, uttun. So its sound is uttan, uttin. And the next one uttun. Okay, so the next lesson we will read from tomorrow, and you practice this lesson again by listening and watching this video. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.